I'm Lethu
And I am Thando.
And our son Umile has been attending Holland International School since January this year, so he's been here for around 6 months. Umile is 4.5 years old, and we've been living in Singapore for 2 years now.
There's a couple of things that we love about Holland International School. I think the first thing that stood out to us when we first came here was just how Umile just lit up as we were walking the grounds. He just absolutely loved the environment. And I mean, we've just seen remarkable growth in him ever since he started here. His vocabulary just is expanding day by day. His numeracy skills, and I think just his general desire to learn. He always looks forward to come to school, and for us that was very important that he's comfortable where he is and that he actually enjoys the environment and the learnings that are occurring here.
There are many things that we love about the school. We've enjoyed all the IEYC units that they teach, and we've enjoyed, recently they had the Brilliant Bug Ball, and we just enjoyed them explaining their learnings on worms and so on. So we see the development. Umile is now coming with new things at home that he's learned from school. For example, he advocates for sustainability issues. He asks us to switch off the lights in the house if we're not using them. So it's quite nice to see him applying those learnings from school at home.
I think one of the things that are very important to us has also just been the engagement with the teachers. We found that the teachers are generally available when we need to talk to them. If we've got any issues that need clarification, Umile starting out here, was not necessarily at first fully comfortable going to the bathroom by himself. Such small things, and the teachers have been very engaging with things like that. We found they've also been engaging with other growth areas as Umile grows and as he's got questions, curiosities. We found the teachers very supportive, both from a very holistic point of view, from both an educational and just an everyday life point of view.
Yeah, definitely. I think Holland International School is a safe place. I think Umile feels quite safe with his teachers, and it's nice that the classes are small by design, so there's a lot of individual attention that's given to the children. So that's been a great experience for us as parents.
Yeah. So a fun fact, whenever we tell people that our son goes to Holland International School, a Dutch school, there's always the question of, wow, that's very interesting. And we never thought actually we would bring him here until we had a very strong recommendation from a colleague who already had his kids here and absolutely loved it. And when we came to check it out, we fell in love with the place. So I'm very grateful for that recommendation and that we took the decision to bring Umi here in August. And we think, generally we're very happy with the curriculum.
Would you recommend the school? Of course.
Oh, definitely.
Yes,
definitely recommend the school. Yeah. Especially if you're looking for very strong community, small classes, individual attention to the students. I mean, the school is not massive, but it's very well knit, very tight, so very close, and you have access to the teachers, the principal, all the leadership, very available.
Yeah, and the diversity, of course. Children from many backgrounds. I don't even know how many countries are represented in Umile's class alone. So that's a great environment as well for the children to learn about new cultures and and just be able to have different experiences.